Hi there, I'm Adam Dovile and welcome to Selleys Suburban Gold, where we take pre-loved items and upcycle them from old to gold. Today I'll show you how to upcycle a dated bedside table into something unique and fun. It won't take much to give this bedside table a new lease of life. You'll need some sugar soap wipes, quick grip, vertical and horizontal, Arrow Diet 5 minutes, paint, vinyl, a roller and some fresh hardware. First thing, I'm going to be using the sugar soap wipes to give it a good clean. Now this is my favourite part. I've got an off-cut of vinyl which will give this bedside table a real unique look. I'm going to be adding it to the front of this drawer. Quick grip vertical, it doesn't drip and it's perfect for applying anything vertically, like this vinyl, as it doesn't sag. It's super easy to apply and has an instant bond. I've got some wallpaper left over and I've decided to line the inside of the drawers. I'll be using quick grip again, but this time the horizontal version. It's flexible and super easy to apply. Now there's just one thing left to do, some new hardware to complete our new look. For this, I'll be using Arrow Diet 5 minute. It dries clear and is one of the strongest adhesives around, holding up to 75 kilos. And there you go, this bedside table has been given a complete refresh with some paint, wallpaper and some new hardware. Now it's your turn. Search Selleys Suburban Gold for all the details, tips and tricks for your next upcycling project. You'll be amazed on what you can find to restore. And once you've completed your Suburban Gold project, make sure you tag at Selleys ANZ and hashtag Selleys Suburban Gold and see you in the next step.